times have I come to you? How many times have you taken me in? How have you never quite realized that this will be nothing more than what it's been? Why is it that I return to this scene of the crime, though there's nothing I need? Between the moments that linger before us, haven't you wondered why I always leave? Let me be who I am. Let me leave while I can. So just let me leave while I can. Let me leave while I can. How many times have I come to you?